Alright guys, welcome back to the homestead. As you guys can see, we got a little snow last night. Yesterday it started snowing about 9 a.m. and snowed all day long up into the night last night. I think we ended up getting, I don't know the exact amount, like they were saying 5 to 8 inches, and it's every bit of that, which is a pretty big snow here in Kentucky. And so people around here pretty much shut down when we get that much snow. It took me 3.5 hours to get home from work yesterday. Usually takes about 45 minutes. People are just crazy. The roads were nuts. But anyway, we got to get out here and do chores this morning. Figured I'd take you guys with me. So this is chores in 5 to 8 inches of snow. So the first up is our rabbits. Let's get them some food and water. I've got on a bucket of water here so I can dip them out some water. But today, it's like frozen solid. We'll have to go inside the house since we don't have a frost-free spigot and carry water out. That's why I like these little rubber bowls. You just smash them against the side of the barn here, throw them on the ground. You're not gonna break them. They break the ice right out. All right, that about does it for the rabbits. Next up is our barn cat, Stella, and the chicks we have here in the barn. All right, we're in the barn. Stella is usually sitting here waiting on me to feed her. Her house is right here and bowl and water right there. There you go. Now we'll go in here and take a look at these chicks. I say chicks, they've grown up. And the rooster we've got in here with them. All right, so the chicks in here usually drink from that water right there, but it's pretty much frozen solid this morning. So we're gonna have to get them a pan and just get some water in there today. We're gonna get this pan for the chickens today. The little chicks in there will drink out of this for today. There you go, guys. Next up, getting some food for our pigs, our females and our males. Y'all hungry? Come on. There you go. Come over and get some, piggy. Time to eat. All right, guys, enjoy. All right, next up this morning, chickens and geese. Let's go get some food for them. I just checked. It's actually 10 degrees this morning, and the local news station is saying that we got just under 7 inches of snow. We're about 7.9. So chores are a little bit more difficult when you're getting that much snow, especially when you're not used to getting hardly any. This kind of snow just really doesn't happen here. Usually if we get a dusting up to an inch, schools are closed, things are shut down. So for us to have 8 inches is a big deal. So we got the chickens some feed, we got them some water, and our outside spigot is frozen up, and the big boy pigs still need water. They're the only ones yet that haven't had fresh water. So let's get them some water from inside the house, and I have to bucket it out to them, since their little pig nipple water on their barrel is frozen shut this morning. I couldn't get it thawed out. I couldn't get it working, so we'll just put them a pan of water out there for today. All right, just got our bucket of water. Let's get it out there to the piggies. You know, I know some of you guys that live up north are probably laughing at this video right now. I know some of you guys do chores in this almost every day through the winter, and I got mad props for you, because this ain't a whole lot of fun. But for us here in Kentucky, this is kind of a big deal. And it's nice to see this weather every once in a while, but I wouldn't want it all the time. Some water. There you go, bud. Well, guys, there it was. Chores in 8 inches of snow. It's pretty beautiful. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells.